What is up, guys? Screenplays here. Today I'm back with another video, and in this video, guys, I'm gonna be taking a look at this game called Jetpack Joyride. It was one of my favorite childhood games, guys, and this was what I'll be playing in my cousin's iPad, and this is a really good game. I know, and I want to hack this game a lot because the jetpacks and everything those are really cool, and this game involves strategy, luck, and skill. So yeah, it's based on what are you going to be using, and it's based on what kind of, well, boots or what kind of armor or jetpack that you're going to be using. So as you can see, I'm going to be starting the game, and I'm going to be trying to hack it using Lucky Patcher. So let's see if Lucky Patcher can actually hack this game, because I haven't tried it before. Last time I did, it worked, but now I'm not sure. So this won't affect gameplay, and I'm 15 years old, so accept. Very easy. Accept. Right, and now it's each vehicle offers a unique gameplay experience. That's what I'm talking about. So Halfbrick was one of my favorite mobile gaming platforms ever. Like in the PC. Oh shit. Sorry. As you can see, these are the things you have to collect coins, and you have to it's like cool. It's a cool game. I mean, it's a really cool game. But let's get back into hacking the game. So first of all, what you're going to be doing is you either need to have a Android device, number one. Number two, like mine, you're going to be having an Android device like mine. Number two, you're going to be having root or non-root access. So if you are rooted, like my phone right here, and if you guys, oh shoot, if you guys want to root your, like, hack the game without the root access, it's possible. But yeah, I want to use the root method because I don't want to install and reinstall it. Alright, so I'm gonna be using Lucky Patcher for this rooted method. So if you guys want the not rooted method, like the non-root versions, if you're running an Android device and your device is not rooted, you can try this method. Okay, so listen very carefully. So I don't want Google app, so we're going to be open menu of patches, and I'm not just going to be patching the in-app level emulation. I'm not going to be just giving it the money. I also want the Google ads to go away. So what I'm going to be doing is very simple. So you click, if you guys just want to delete the Google ads, you can just click remove Google ads, or you can just remove license verification, support patch level emulation. You can just do that. No, later. Update found. Later I'll be doing that. So make sure you update Lucky Patcher to the latest firmware, or like a really late firmware, but not the latest, but late like mine. So what you're going to be doing is very simple. Click on multi-patch if you want to do that. Remove Google Ads and support patch level emulation, and click on apply. And that's it. And what are we going to be doing is just doing this off. Next step. And then patch level emulation. Yep. And click on next step. So here is the magic part. You're just going to be waiting until what, like a 4 to 5 minutes at best. You're going to be just, it's going to be just applying the level emulation and the Google Ads pack. Let's see if this time the game can actually, well, see if this works or not. So I have I have high expectations because last time it did work, but there are a number of games that last time did work, and this, like when I tried recently, can't. So Angry Birds cannot be hacked using Lucky Patcher, even in the rooted version, and that sucks a lot. I mean, really, that actually sucks a lot because Angry Birds, the Star Wars one, was really cool. Angry Birds Star Wars 2, to be specific. It's really good game. It's a really good game. I love the game much, and it used this telepods or something. I think it's telepods. Yeah, You can buy the figurines like on in Toys R Us, and then you can just scan the thing on your camera, and then once the camera has scanned the QR code underneath the figurine, it's possible that you will be getting the card, or you're going to be getting a, what do you call that, a bird, like, yeah, like Louis Skywalker, or Luke Skywalker, or um Anakin Skywalker, or Darth Vader. You can get all those specific teleports using the specific figurines for them, and it's possible. But hacking the game right now is not possible. Rovio games, I can't do it anymore. But Half Brick, I really hope I can do it, because Half Brick, I did it about a year ago. It worked. Like, I never did a video about that. I did it off camera, but it worked. So I was actually enjoying myself playing the game, and then my phone. Then I wanted to root my phone, and everything got erased. I didn't back things up, but luckily I just backed a few things up. But yeah, you get the idea. So this might take you 4 to 5 minutes, as I said before. But yeah, so I'm gonna be reaching 1,000 subscribers, guys. 1,000 subscribers. Going to be really excited for that, because after so long, I'm just coming back to YouTube, and I already got 200 subscribers in a month. So that's actually pretty good. I mean, I haven't thought about it. I haven't thought that I would actually get 900 subscribers in this 2 months. Like, 100 subscribers in just a week is pretty cool. Like, it's not even a month. It's like 2 weeks only. 2 weeks max. Yeah. 2 weeks or 10 days or something. I reached 100 subscribers. Which means one day I'm getting 4 to 5 or even 10 subscribers a day. Which is pretty cool. And I'm doing this video just because I'm going to be uploading to YouTube and stuff like that. I'm going to be uploading to YouTube, and yeah. That's it. I really hope you guys hit the subscribe button and like button to make sure to support me, because I reached 1,000 subscribers. It's gonna be a good milestone, because I haven't reached 1,000 subscribers. I didn't reach 1,000 in any of my social media page, because this is gonna be the first time. 1,000 subscribers is amazing. Really appreciate it. So thank you guys for watching my previous video where I hacked Slug Terror Slug It Out too. That video is actually going quite viral. I didn't expect it to go about 2.1k views right now. So yeah, I think what I'm gonna be letting this to download or something, and I'll come and check with you guys later on. See ya. Alright, so update. It doesn't take 4 to 5 minutes. It takes you about 6 to 10 minutes to complete a patch, which is unbelievable, because since I'm patching 2 at once, it's going to be taking a little bit longer. But if you guys are taking individual at a time, then it's possible. So yeah, I'll just be back when this is ready. Alright guys, so the in-app level emulation and the patch ad block list patch has been patched, so no problems anywhere. So what I'm going to be doing now is launching the app. So once I launch the app, well, I'm not sure whether if I'm going to be doing the tutorial again, because I considered never opened the app before. So it can straight patch if you're on the rooted version, but if you are not on the rooted version, you're going to be reinstalling this application, which means you're going to be doing the tutorial once more. So it's okay, it's just like a 2 or 4 minute, well, wait and doing the tutorial once again. So we're just going to be playing for a while. Alright, let's just play for a while and see how this goes. I'm going to be purposely dying because, man, this game takes me really back. It's like something nearly like Flappy Bird, but not entirely like Flappy Bird. Alright. And the one thing that I like is this song. The song is cool. Oh yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna be dying. And yeah. Oh shit. Like, all right, so yeah, and yeah, I am going. What? Why? Oh man, I can't do. All right, so it's forcing me. All right, let's just play for a while. All right. How about we just reach 8,000? I'm not gonna be collecting the coins. Oh yeah, there's something called Sam, and that's pretty cool. The Sam is a machine, a robot, something. It's pretty cool, and I hope it's done. All right, so next, what is this? Oh, the little stomper. Ah, I forgot. This is actually a pretty cool. Yeah, this is actually a really cool machine. All right, that's pretty cool. All right, pretty cool. Let's die. Let's just die. I really want to see the in a. Oh, come on. What is the mission? Reach 1,000. Alright. So once I reached that, we can go and take a look at the. This is why I should have just completed the tutorial first. And my best. And yeah. Alright, let's die. I'm quite. Alright. Can't really see. Alright, so finally we're done. Alright, so learner. Cool, cool, cool. We got rewards. Let's see if this works. Alright, let me see. Let's see. Alright, so let's see if this is working. And it's working, guys. I think it worked. Yeah, purchase successful. It works. It works, guys. It works. Sold. Sold. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So we're gonna be getting the spooky. Oh no, no, no. We're not gonna be getting. This is gonna be cool. This is cool. So gonna be getting this, and I'm gonna be getting a screenshot. Wait for it. All right. Sorry, guys. Screenshot is a little slow there. Alright, so as you guys can see, it works perfectly fine. So I really have to thank you guys for watching this video, and really hope you guys subscribe to my channel, because I need this video to go viral, or something like Half-Brick Games, how to hack Half-Brick Games. It's going to be the title and going to be the tags and everything. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Comment down below on what video you want me to do on the next episode of hacking games, so that I can improve my content and improve my statistics and analytics as well. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys later. Bye.